Testing. We got a... What do I do with those? Just got through with a mail call. Don't know what I'll do with that. We got some little projects here to work on. Let me put these up. Go right in the intro. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel. Another episode of Dickin around in the shed. A Hobo Freight haul. It ain't the biggest, but it's a pretty big box. But it ain't as much as I ever spent. Later. Oh no, not later. Right back. Alright, what you've been working for is something that's going to upgrade, and it's not Bohannon. He's still sleeping. Look out! Is this titanium? The whole table's titanium. I ordered. Andy sent me some grinding. I like using a flapper disc. I just ordered me some more. Never want to run out of those things. So this thing's pretty heavy, because I had to tote it into the shed myself. Had to help loading it on the cart. A buggy. That's what we call shopping carts down here. Buggies. In the south, they buggies. Ouch. So they industrial tape stapled it. Whew. Asked me did I want a warranty on it. It's a table. It don't have no moving parts except for the stuff on it. We got cardboards. I can use them. I can use them corner pieces. You gotta go outside now, Bohannon. Quit raining. Go on. Alright. I should have. Oh, not gonna do ever to do that. We're gonna lay this thing down. Oh! That shook the whole building. Yep. Let me get this out and I'll show you what all it is in here. Alright. We got it open. And I believe it came from China, I think. I know it did. But they made sure it ain't gonna rust. They got enough oil on it. So what's in these little boxes?
You get a bunch of accessories, which tables, I said the table could be better, is what I've read. But you get all this accessories that pays for itself in it. Get you clamps, these are 2 clamps. I think you get 4 of those. Like Christmas. I ain't found the instructions yet how to put it together. I did probably tell me how to open a box. Now, these are corner legs. Corner stuff. I don't know if I need them because it gives you legs. It gives you, you can put it, if you had a work table, you can level it up that way. Or we just keep going. See what's in this box. You got the screws. And you got some, that's the feet for it. And other clamps. That's just for the clamps. You get some more stuff. Yeah, more stuff. You get stuff for, clamps and stops and the clamp round metal. You get the bolts and stuff. What you smell, Bohannon? You smell oily, don't you? Alright. Uh-oh, I think I found the instructions. This is the base, and I don't mean boom boom. It's got a warning on it. It's got it's a modular welding table, capacity of 36 inches and by 24 inches. 600 pound capacitized. 600 pound capacitized. Which these are the legs. How much you bet? Bet. Come on. Yeah, I was right. 1 leg. Alright, we got a leg. We got a leg to stand on.
I need 3 more. So I believe that's it. And here's your there you have it, folks. You know what, they should have told you how tall it was. I didn't realize it was this tall. So I mean, that's a good welding height. So I might leave it this tall, I don't know. But I also got those wheels that's like 4 inches tall. Let me show you. So we might fabricate the fabricating table. Like these are, what, about 5 inches tall? Let's see. Well, I was way off. Well, 6 inches, so I was off by an inch. That's what she said. Trying to say swivel. So this thing stuff has got some that oil on it, all over machine oil or whatever, keep it from rusting. But if it's titanium, it ain't supposed to rust, I don't think. So I just hit it with some brake cleaner, contact brake cleaner. Spit it out. You don't want no oil contaminating your workspace here. That does a real good job. So last week we cleaned out this corner. That's where it's going to go. So, yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. And a lot of people say it could be thicker because it's about 3¼ inch thick. But for a novice like me, but see, they got these sleeves. That's what some people say. You put these in there like so, and then you clamp it down. You don't need a bolt on the bottom, but hey, these are free. That's what I mean. You can take your boat. Get it started. Like so. And then this goes down. So if you wanted to clamp something. And then you can hold your workplace. So what else we got in this bag? Ooh. Was these stop stuff? Those are the stops, and you got these thread through there, huh? So, yeah. Huh. So do these go like so? And maybe you put these like so. It makes a stop. I bet you that's how they go. I don't know. Never had a table this fancy. So like I said, these are, see how these sits in there like so, and then clamp it. These are magnetic. I didn't think titanium was magnetic. So you had these to work with. Got clamps and clamps. I don't know what to clamp. All right then. That's what I feel like though, Henry. All right, we about to run out of juice here. So enjoyed you my welding table. I'll let you know. Well, you'll see me use it, so I'm gonna use it. So go check out that video there. That one right about there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and we might use something, make something with a table later.